Hi, my name's Steve Minning, and today we're going to look at smart navigation for iconic precincts using the PAM platform. During major events, there are different situations that occur at the beginning of the day, during the day, and towards the end of the day, where you need to manage crowd control. We'd be using a range of different signs to help people navigate through those environments. And over here, we've got a control center. I'm going to show you today the PAM Control Center. So what we have here is it's a cloud-based platform. You can access it from any device. What we're looking at here is a smart precinct where there are hundreds of customer navigation touchpoints. So they direct vehicular and pedestrians to different destinations throughout the site, whether it's parking, stadium entrances, retail experiences, things like that. So that's what happens over here. Down here are all the events that are going on during that day, at that point in time. Over here is how we control the information throughout the day. So these are called playbooks. So a playbook might start off with a default scene before an event. It might have an inbound scene to get everyone into their parking lots and stadium entrances, a during scene to connect them with experiences, meet the cheerleaders and things like that. And then after, how do you get people out as efficiently as possible? So these controls here will control these signs over here. So this is an example of some of the signs on the site. Something at the entry to a car park. You've got a vehicular sign here that directs you to parking and entrances and exits. You've got an interactive kiosk that sits over here that shows you the whole lay of the land. And then you've got directional signs for pedestrians and obviously promotional content over here. So let's go back over here. What we're going to do is we're going to change from a default scene up here, and we're going to change this to stadium inbound. There we go. Now, when that happens, you'll see across here, all this stuff's going to change. We've got one sign type here, which is the entry to a car park, which is now open. We've got a vehicular directional sign, which now shows the zoned parking and will give you information about if it's full or open. And we've got a kiosk here, which now shows all the different zonal parking. And then over here, we've got a pedestrian directional sign, which shows you destinations relative to the events and activities. So that's a brief overview of Playbooks, how scenes change.